how's it going? My name's Devan Edwards. I am one of the newest additions to Collision Drumsticks endorsement program. I've been playing drums for 2.5 years, roughly. The band that I play with currently is my fiance and I's band, In Truth They Lie. This band was incepted in December of 2023. We're a post-hardcore and pop-punk band from Jacksonville, Florida. Now, one of the things that I personally really like about Collision, firstly, from a cultural standpoint, is they put artists first. I feel like they really care about my growth, they care about my progression, and they want to see me succeed. From an actual product standpoint, when I received these sticks, I was very pleasantly surprised, to say the least. I've always used Vic Firth, Steven Zildjian's, but nothing really had quite the flow that Collision's 5B drumsticks has. And I was very impressed and very happy with the product when I received it. Personally, I think my favorite part about being an endorsed artist by Collision Drumsticks is the support that they give to not only me, but also my band. They're very willing to participate in helping us spread a message, share our songs, our albums, and basically promote. I think that's very awesome because it really shows how they feel about their artists and their success. So today, I'd like to demonstrate what it's like to play with Collision Drumsticks. I'm going to be doing a playthrough of our very own song called Eat Your Words. It's our very first song that we ever released, very first song that we ever did a video of, and our very first song that ever got onto Vivo. So I hope you enjoy it.
I'd really prefer if you just took me off the track.